Hey everyone, let's understand databases. What are they? What's the difference between SQL and NoSQL? And which one should you use? Let's break it down. A database is a system that helps us store, organize, and retrieve data efficiently. There are two main types: SQL, that is relational database, and NoSQL, non relational database. SQL is structured query language. It stores data in tables with rows and columns. It uses schemas, meaning fixed structure. Examples of this type of database are MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite. Next, we have NoSQL, not only SQL. It stores data in flexible formats like JSON, key value, graph, etc. It's schema-less, making it more flexible. And the examples are MongoDB, Firebase, Redis, etc. Both SQL and NoSQL have their own use cases. See you in the next video.